sheep, I say beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep, I said a beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep, I say a beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep, I say a beep beep, I'm a sheep. Yeah, now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beep beep like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe. Step 1, throw your hands up to the sky, then point them to the floor. Step 2, here's what to do, now get down on all fours. Step 3, just bounce around, it's easy, follow me. Step 4, go crazy now and beep beep like a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep, I say a beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep, I say a beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep, I say a beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep, I say a beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I say you got to beep beep. I say beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I say you've got to beep beep. I say beep beep like a sheep. Sheep. Yeah, so you know how now to beep beep like a sheep, I see. But that's not all you can do. Yeah. Step 1, throw your hands up and then point them to the sky. Step 2, drop to the floor and move from side to side. Step 3, just bounce around. Come on, I'll show you how. Step 4, go crazy now and meow meow like a cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow. I say meow meow, I'm a cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow. I say meow meow, I'm a cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow. I say meow meow, I'm a cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow. I say meow meow, I'm a cow. Beep beep, I say you've got to beep beep. I say you beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I say you've got to beep beep. I say you beep beep like a sheep. Beep beep. Hope you enjoyed my cover of Beep Beep by a Sheep by Black Griffin. Alright, goodbye everybody.